Let's discuss how to convert a fraction into a decimal and vice versa. Here's our first fraction. (19/25), and we need to convert this into a decimal. The most common way to do this is division. So we have 25 into 19. To start dividing, we need to add a decimal point and a 0. Figure out how much 25 can go into 190. Correct, that will go 7 times. Add another 0 and bring it down. Ask yourself, how much could 25 go into 150? Correct, that will go 6 times. And so our final answer is 0.76. Let's look at another fraction. We have the fraction 17/40 that we need to convert into a decimal. So again, set it up as a division problem. And add a decimal point and a 0 to start dividing. To start, 40 can go into 170 4 times. Bring down another 0. Forty can go into 100 2 times. Giving us 20. Bring down another 0. 40 can go into 200 5 times. Our answer, therefore, is 0.425. Let's look at one more fraction where we have to round to a particular place value. We're given the fraction 17/18, and we need to round our answer to the tenths place. The setup is still the same. Of course, add a decimal point and a 0 to start dividing. And figure out how much 18 can go into 170. Right, that will go 9 times. Now, we're currently at the tenths place with the 9, but we need to divide one more time to figure out how to round the 9. So we add another 0 and bring it down. And 18 can go into 80 4 times. We can stop here and round our answer to the tenths place. So this would be approximately 0.94. I'm sorry, excuse me, 0.9. So 0.9 would be your estimated rounded answer. Again, the most common step to convert a fraction into a decimal is division. Let's look at the other conversion. You're given a decimal and you have to change it into a fraction. To start, we have the number 0.16, and we need to change this into a fraction in lowest terms. Well, you look at the last digit and identify its place value. So the 6 holds the hundredths place. That means we need to put 16 over 100. To reduce, divide each number by 4. Our final reduced answer is 4 over 25. Let's look at another example. We need to again convert this decimal into a fraction in lowest terms. Again, look at the last digit and identify its place value. Right, that last one is in the hundred thousandths place. So that means we need to put 11 all over 100,000. This answer cannot be reduced, so it is our final answer, 11 over 100,000. Knowing the place value chart really helps in this conversion. Let's look at one more decimal to convert. We have the number 0.028, and we need to convert this into a fraction in lowest terms. Again, look at the last digit and identify its place value. Right, the 8 holds the hundredths place, therefore we need to put 28 over 1,000, and then reduce. Again, we can use 4 to reduce each number by. So our final simplified answer is 7 over 250. This concludes this particular video on converting fractions and with decimals.